Hi, in this session I am going to describe how to run the program on this UK-100 C-PGC controller. We have already seen how to set the programs in the last sessions. Now let us attempt to run a program, one of those programs. Okay. Let's say we want to run the only soak elapsed time based program which was set in program number 3. Now let's check what is that program. Press this one, go to set check, then check the temperature, humidity, time, event release, temperature, humidity, time, temperature, humidity, time, event release, number of laps. Okay, fine, that's the one which we want to run. Now we also have to ensure that parameter number 27 is set to accept this kind of program. It should be 2. Okay, now it's 0, so I make it 2. Now one thing you note that for any particular user, this generally need not be changed time and again. It's only once it is changed, because he will be using similar type of programs, and hence parameter 27 is need not be disturbed again and again. Once it is set, and then that's all, forget about it. Now sorry, I'll come back to this. Now one more thing is, you have to ensure that before starting any program, you must ensure that there is no program running at the same time. If it was running, then you can't run another program. So you have to stop the running program, abort it, or wait for it to be over, and then you run the new program. So now nothing is running, so I go to program keys, enter. Now I want to run program 3. This is in 2, so I make it up. So enter. Okay. Then just press up key, press. That's it. Now the program is already started. You can see that it is showing program number 3, step number 1. This dash means soak, set value is 30, elapsed time is 00 hours and 00 minutes, illumination is 75%, that is okay, that's what was set. Then the other variables, RH, the present value and the set value of the same. Then laps set at 12. The program is just now started, so there is no laps over. If it was using a cascade compressor, this will show the cascade temperature, and if program linking was done, this doesn't fall into this present discussion. So we go to this. Okay. So these are the things. Now let me describe. This is a air heat. This particularly for this particular configuration, I am just describing. This is air heater for temperature control. This is steam generator for humidity control. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the illumination event release, 75%. So 3 are glowing, 1 is not glowing. This is for the compressor, and this is for the alarm. Okay. Apart from this, we have a water level interlock. Supposing the water level is not there, then water depleted will come. Okay, you can stop the alarm, but at the same time, steam generator will be off, water depleted will come. Now once water is restored, water level is restored, then again steam generator will start coming. So that is an interlock. Now we shall also briefly discuss about the sub menus in this run. So okay, again go to program keys, I enter here. This is run and this is hold. Say if I press hold, what happens is the process is held wherever it is. This is called manual hold. The timing will not advance. Whatever set point, whatever are there, they are being controlled, but the program will not progress from here. This is generally used for some troubleshooting or some sampling or something like that. Now if you want to come out of this, you have to again do the same thing. Go to program keys, press this, go to hold, again press the hold, then hold is removed. Now the program resumes, the progress resumes. Okay. Now there is another function, hold, and now online. Okay, online we are not using now, because there are a lot of unauthorized online changes, and there was no auditing of whether the program was followed or not. So that is totally removed now in most of our controllers. Next one is skip. Now using this you can skip a step. Yeah, I skip. So suddenly you see now it has gone to segment number 2, step number 2. And you see the set value has changed, this changed, and even the RS set value is changed to whatever was set for step number 2. Okay. Now there is no illumination here, and since its value is close to the set value, PID started blinking, and then no illumination, so no erase, compressor is on. Okay. This is now in step 2. After skipping we got it here. Now there is one more function which you can do is abort. So you can go to program keys, but if there is one more shortcut to reach all these sub-menus, just press this key. You will go to straight away go to the program keys menu, skip, abort. Now if I press abort, the program will stop. So all the outputs are switched off, and it's the end of batch. Now if I want to resume, same thing, I press this key. This is now already in program 3, so I press up and then press. So either you go to program keys by going to mode and pressing up, or you use this. This is a shortcut. Okay. Now you can see that because of the time delay, the compressor is not yet on. It will be on after its minimum power on delay. So this is how we run the program. Whatever may be the type of program, whether it is a ramp soak or RTC based soak only, or gap stamp based soak only, whatever may be the type of program, the running process is same. You have to see that parameter 27 is made suitable for that particular program. And then that's all. You recall the set program and go to program keys and run. Okay. This is also, I will be showing you a live control action in the next chapter or so. Okay. So that will give you more idea about how exactly is the things functioning. Okay. Now rest of it should be studied by the user himself, and if any questions are there, they can be asked. Okay. So for the present, bye. Okay.